Hello dear students, welcome back. In our previous lecture, we study our fifth poem, Six Honest Serving Man. In this poem, in our previous lecture, you study exercise, and in this exercise, you study two questions, rhyming words and opposite words. Now today we are going to continue the exercise of this poem. So today's question is question number 3. Write the names of the 6 serving men frame question. Questions. In this question, you have five sentences, and you have to convert it into question. That means, in these sentences, we have to use these 6 serving. So, which are the 6 serving men? How, which, what, when, why, where. In this question, you have 5 sentences, and these 6 serving men, we have to use it. First is Mr. Patil is our English students. This is a sentence. Mr. Patil is our English teacher. So, which serving man we use it in these sentences? Which is it? Who? So here, who is our English teacher? We use it who. Who is our English teacher? We use it first who. Now the second sentence is I come to school by bus. I come to school by bus. So which serving man we use it for these sentences? Which is it? It is how. How do I come to school? How do I come to school? And another sentence is our school 11 a.m. Our school starts at 11 a.m. So which serving man we use for these sentences? Which is it? It is when. Which is? It is when. When does our school starts? When does our school starts? So students, do you understand? Here, this is first sentence. Mr. Patil is our teacher, our English teacher. And we use who is our English teacher? Who? This is the first serving man we use for these sentences. The second sentence is I come to school by bus. So for this sentence we use how. This serving man, how do I come to school? How do I come to school? The third sentence is our school starts at 11 a.m. For these sentences we use when. When this serving man. When does our school starts? Now our next sentences is D. The sun rises in the east. For this sentence, which serving man we use? We use it for it. Students, the sun rises in the east. For this sentence, which serving man we use it? It is where. Which is it? It is where. Where does the sun rises? E. Next sentence is E. I was late because of the traffic jam. I was late because of the traffic jam. For this sentence, which serving man we use it? It is why. It is why. Why was I late? Why was I late? And the last sentence is funny stories. Funny stories make me laugh. Funny stories make me laugh. For this sentence, which serving man we use it? It is what. What makes me laugh? What makes me laugh? I hope students all these sentences you understand. Like that you make many more sentences. If I asked you a question, what is your name? So that time you said it, what is your name? So you said that my name is Radha, my name is Ram. So for that we use it what. Suppose I ask you a question, where do you live? So that time you said that in Nandura, ward number 13, like that. Why? Suppose I ask you, why are you late at school? So that time you said that your reason. I was late because here you see that I was late because the traffic jam, like that. Suppose someone ask you a question, how are you? That time you said that I'm fine. So like that, this serving man, we use it, and the poet said that like that also, how to use it. So here write the name of the 6 serving man, frame the question here. So this these 6 serving men, how, who, what, when, why, where. So these 6 serving men we use like that. Okay, I hope you understood. You have to write all these sentences in your notebook 2 times and show me in my personal WhatsApp. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.